So while that is going, we're gonna make a little bit of tahina sauce, okay? We're gonna throw in a little bit of garlic. So this is, everyone knows this as tahini or tahina. We say tahina, which is like as many consonants as you can put together. Sounds like Klingon a little bit. All right, we're gonna throw a little lemon in there.
Now, most people buy this at the store pre-made.
They do.
In a jar, but you make it.
We make it, and we go
the
through
restaurant.
like so much of this, it's absurd. But we make it, let me just start this guy. You've done this before, you're amazing. All right.
Little power always out.
Yeah, I know. I'm actually not a chef. I've never done this before in my life. I don't even know you.
I knew it.
Okay?
You're an
Right.
imposter.
I know. All right, so we're gonna blend this now. Now the reason for this, it's gonna mellow the garlic. You know, if you eat like overly garlic food or even like the canned sort of hummus, it like stays with you a little bit. And you have like
it stings,
crazy breath afterwards, you know?
And it's pungent.
It's pungent, and that is not what anything should be. I mean, I think that's also the misconception with Italian food, is that it should be overly garlicky.
Mm-hmm.
It's not like that. So what we do is puree garlic and lemon juice, and we let it sit. And that'll mellow the garlic, which means in like 2 or 3 days in your fridge, you won't have this garlic bomb going on, and it's nice and smooth, really nice and sweet, okay?
So you let this sit for how long?
We're gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay? All right, and while that is happening, we're gonna take our tahina, which is raw tahina.
So this is the sesame seed paste.
This is straight, yeah, these are sesame seeds from Ethiopia that go over to Nazareth and get processed there, that make it to Philly and then into our bellies,
By
right?
way of you guys.
So check this out, look at that. Beautiful, right? It's like nice, homogenized, it's almost got like a roasted peanut butter thing going on. We're gonna pour some of this. All right, so what you're gonna do is pour, so we're gonna pour a little of that in there. Okay, a little lemon, a little garlic. We're gonna throw a little salt and some more cumin. And then
If you don't have a mixer, could you do this by hand, or
absolutely,
would it just take too long?
you could do it by hand. It would actually take no time at all, and you could even do that too by hand. You could just mince up garlic and throw it in. If you want to actually start this on speed 1, since you're like the equipment
Do you think
specialist.
you'll need more of this?
No, I think we're good. I think we're good.
Okay.
All right, great.
Oop, there we go.
There you go. All right, beautiful. So we're gonna add a little bit of lemon juice to that too. And you can see it. It looks pretty gross, right?
Oh, it kind of looks like peanut butter, except it's not peanuts.
So when everyone makes like hummus or whatever, they always like throw everything in the blender and then puree it all, which is not what you should be doing.
Oh.
What we do is aerate.
I've been doing that.
I know. Well, then it gets really pasty, and then you have to
confess.
dilute it with water. So what we're gonna do is make this nice and aerated and nice and whipped. Actually, if you could grab a little bit of cold water,
Yeah.
that would be great.
Just add about a tablespoon.
Yeah, you can do a little bit more than that. And what you'll notice is it'll come together. Yes, you're gonna wanna add more than that. It'll get super light and super creamy. We can keep going.
Okay. That's my favorite thing about your hummus at Zahab, and I can't believe you're going to open this little, what do you call it?
Hummus,
Hummus.
yeah.
It's just that and the laffa bread.
I know, I appreciate that. We
Addictive.
take a lot of pride.
Totally
I know.
addictive.
I know. Sometimes we think it might be a little easier just to do that, you know?
A little more?
Straight up. Let's let this go a little bit faster.
Yeah.
See? It's getting like a little bit moussey.
Fast forward.
Right, exactly. Let's add a little bit more water.
It smells so good.
Exactly. And what's great about this is once you nail this, this is, you know, you can add this to chickpeas to make hummus. You can, in Turkey, they deep fry mussels and put them on hot dog buns and pour this sauce on. It's like amazing. And it also makes great substitutions for salad dressings. It's, you know, quite low in fat. It's crazy. That sounds like a food truck concept, right?
Yeah.
Should open up one of these outside. All right, so we're gonna let that whip.
That's really going now.
Yeah, beautiful.